Are you tired of feeling anxious about taking your NCLEX exam? I know whenever I was in that process, I sure was tired. Do you dream of passing your NCLEX on your first try or on your next attempt? And are you excited about starting your career as a licensed nurse? If so, please stay tuned because I have 5 tips that I want to share with you when it comes to taking your NCLEX exam. Now, chances are you are here because you are bound and determined to pass your NCLEX exam. And I am here to tell you that you absolutely can pass it. And to get into things, my name is Dr. R, and it is my personal mission to take complex nursing and medical information and break it down to make it something that's simple and easy to understand. Welcome to this video, and I'm going to again provide 5 tips about passing your NCLEX exam. Stay tuned and watch till the end. Okay, so the first tip I want to share with all of you, if you are preparing to take your NCLEX, that means you have done the most difficult portion of this process, if not most difficult thing of your life, and that is to actually pass the nursing program. Congratulations, you've made it. Now, the last thing you have to do, the last step, is to just pass your NCLEX exam. Now, I have to remind you that your nursing instructors, especially your director of your nursing program, have full faith and confidence in you becoming a nurse. Otherwise, they would not have signed off stating you're passing nursing school, and your director would not have submitted information for you to be able to authorize to test. So, believe it or not, you have all the information you need to pass your exam and to be a safe, competent nurse at the entry level. So take the pressure off that you don't have enough information. Now, for my second tip, which I'm going to lead into, is a lot of times when someone is studying for the NCLEX exam, they feel that they do not have enough content. They need to study content more and more and more. But the truth of the matter is you have all the content and information that you need. What you may be lacking is how to read the outline of the NCLEX exam in order to answer the question in the manner that the NCLEX wants you to answer it. So coming up for my third tip is you have to believe in yourself. You have to have the proper mindset to go in to pass this exam. There's a lot of motivational things that you can watch on YouTube that I highly suggest to help keep you in this right mind frame when you are practicing to take your exam. Okay, tip number 4, obviously, create a study plan, right? Now, when you create a study plan, you want to make sure that it's going to keep you organized, it's going to keep you focused. Most importantly, you're going to set some realistic goals for yourself. There's also a lot of different software out there. I know UWorld has some stuff, Archer. My personal favorite is ilikenursing.com. But at any rate, you need to make sure you practice, 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 which is tip number 5. And take the exam as many times as you can for practice sakes, because it's going to help desensitize you when you're in the room and you are taking your NCLEX exam. You need to study with purpose. You need to do active studying versus passive studying. All right. And if you are interested I do have a nice little workbook that is a cheat sheet that kind of goes through to help you plan on how to study. If you're interested in that, please leave me a comment in this video and I will make sure to work on that to send it to you. All right, now the conclusion of this video is passing the NCLEX requires more than just knowledge. And remember, you have that knowledge. It requires confidence, determination, and the willingness to learn. You need to believe in yourself and believe in your abilities. And don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. So, if you're getting ready to pass your NCLEX exam and you feel that you need some extra assistance, please take a look in the description. You will find a link that you can click on where you and I can talk personally one-on-one on a Zoom meeting for 15 minutes at no cost, just to kind of figure out where you're at and how I can best assist you. And as always, happy studying, continue learning, continue striving.